Oh, there's gotta go. Hello, cherry lovers! The day has come. Me and my son, he's back there. He's got a mic on. He can hear you. You can hear him. And we're gonna get started. We're gonna try and get this. It's not gonna be all this weekend, but we're gonna try and get this high tunnel figured out. Poles in line, all the stuff that needs to be done. And I'm gonna try and get the poles, the ridge poles done and everything in line, and then we're gonna start figuring out rafters. And we're gonna get them all together, and I'm hoping that this weekend we can get all the rafters cut, and that way there, Anthony's not up here, I can work by myself. I'll put one up one time and I can do it by myself. But I gotta have help getting this all done, so he's here today. So let's get started. Okay, we got you all set up so you guys can see everything that we're doing. He's got the tools out here, and I see he's got it all ready to rock and roll. Okay, seeing how I'm the old in command, and you're the head leader. Tell me what you want me to do, and I'm doing it.
We gotta take these out. We gotta dig the hole.
Oh, we got. Is this one? Oh yeah, because this one's way off. I really think though, Anthony, the one up there, all we have to do is, see how it's leaning?
Not if, what?
That one, all it needs to do is just be adjusted that way.
Okay, that's fine.
Because if you look and see up there by the string, it's leaning about the amount as much that it needs to be moved. This one definitely has to be moved over. Okay, I'm gonna break my neck. Are you going to want me to unscrew that?
Yeah.
Okay. Is it on reverse right now? Say find out, right? Evidently, it's in there farther than what that bit. Shoot. Already. Look at that, folks. I gotta... I don't want to come out. I gotta go get a pair of pliers, folks. Be right back. You can watch Anthony do some digging. That thing don't want to come out. So we're gonna go get some pliers. And if you see me limping a little bit, cherry lovers. I still got a little bit of that gout. Yeah, that ain't fun. Do we got a longer bit?
Right there.
Other than this short one? Dang it. Yep, I do. All right. Are these star heads?
You gotta look at it.
I can't see them.
You look in there. What?
Yeah, it's easier said than done there, bud. Are these stars or squares?
Well, there's stars and squares all over the place.
That's what I said, I know. So I was wanting to know, what did we use here? That's too crazy. What's the one you can tell by down here?
You can't tell from down there. They literally mixed.
Oh.
Like there was 2 screws in those 2 boards that I had, and one was star, one was...
Get me then down to my hands and knees here. I can see this one.
You might as well leave it on there for right now.
That's a Star. No, that's a Phillips. Phillips. These are Phillips. Why? You don't need to
I don't know yet, so.
think we can move it over without? You got it down there yet?
Yeah.
I take my knife and cut that because we're redoing. I'm redoing. Redoing that. These lines. So. There we go. Drag that out of the way.
How's that? Or does it have to be dead center of this?
But see how
Center of
it's
this?
see how it's leaning though.
That's fine, but does it have to be dead center of this?
I would put it dead center.
Okay. Do we have a level?
I'll go get one.
Okay.
Sounds good. Hey, you guys yell at him. Yell at him because he don't talk a lot. He's new at the YouTube. He's got to unhook these. How are you gonna unhook them all right now?
Well, I need them all hooked. I'm
Okay.
gonna do that.
All right. All right, I got the ladder and I got the thing set up.
Where's the level?
Levels behind you, leaning up against the tree.
Cool.
All right, you do that and I'll go down here.
Wait, can you get this out?
Huh?
We need just this out.
You got the Phillips? I think those are Phillips, or
No?
you don't have the Phillips screw that was in there?
No,
Oh,
you
I
had
never
it.
got it, did I? I'm sorry.
Oh, you're good. Yeah, I
did-
just gotta take those two out.
No.
Sorry.
Are they Phillips?
Was there one in there? Oh, there is, but it's like sunk.
Did you get this one out?
This one's a star bit. Can I see the star bit?
I'll get them. Put them in your back pocket so you got both of them. Seeing how we've done used both on this project. Okay. Whew. Get it?
No.
Oh. All winter long, folks. We got to get ourselves back in the groove. Sitting and eating and sleeping all winter like a bear. I was gonna say, take this one.
That one's
Take
good.
the hell out of there. And
No.
maybe it's going in on an angle. I don't know.
I know, I'm trying to look.
If not, I can go get a pry bar. You want me to get the pry bar?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah.
Okay. We'll just pry it off.
All right, well, in the meantime, that's in the right spot.
Okay, I'm back with the pry bar. I'm gonna pry these off, and that's that one. And I didn't bring a hammer. I should have known. Bring the proper tools. He's got more strength than I do. He'll pull that off. And I'm gonna have to pull them poles because I'm gonna fall and bust my hind end. I know that for a fact. Cherry lovers. Last thing I need. Give me your bit. Oh, what? Okay, give me your bit, but that's easier to drag it across like that. I'll help you lift it.
No, I need to dig more.
Oh,
So I need those off.
okay. I like this new drill with the hammer on it.
Dad?
I'll be right there.
Okay.
Okay, I got this all apart. Which one? The bottoms?
Yeah.
Are they? All right, we're gonna move you back over here. Oh boy.
Okay, here.
What he's doing, you guys, is we got a string up above. While you're doing that, son, I'll show him. We got a string up there, and it's straight across. And those poles, some of them are in line, but they're out of sync. We got to level them up to meet that line. The ridge board is crooked, but it'll straighten when we put all the rafters up. But that's what we're doing. We're trying to lift it, and we're trying to level it. And once he gets it all level, and then we're going to put the dirt back in. We're going to go on to the next one, and then we're ready to go. That way then we can basically figure out where our rafters, the size of them, so we can make a template, and then the template will be for all the way down through here. I'll say this while you're watching him dig. We're taking these off. That was just so we could hold them for the summer or winter. And we're going to get a couple ratchet straps, and we're going to draw them in, so when the rafters are cut, each wall has to be brought in a little bit, you ratchet it up, and then once it's there, you screw it. We're also going to put and I don't know what they're called, across the top. It's kind of like trusses. There'll be a thing across it, and that's what we're going to do across there to make it strong. So I never have to worry about this disaster again. That's what we're going to eliminate. That is our goal.
All right, can you
remember now, we
those off?
We have to bring it up so you don't have to dig too deep, because we're going to put dirt back in.
That's fine, but
Okay.
can you take those off?
Oh, the side pieces?
Yeah.
You don't need help here?
No.
Oh, because how do you know up there if you're going to get up on a ladder? How do you know? Okay, Cherry lovers, wait. He's doing that. You can watch him. All I'm going to do is unscrew the boards that he's already done there. You know about how much dirt you got to put in there.
That's fine.
Okay, I'm coming. Alrighty. Remember, So I got these 20,000 foot ladders that aren't long enough. And I don't have to be up right there. I just have to be up high enough to look across it.
What? Okay.
So I said, we're gonna have to lift it up and drop dirt in there.
That's fine.
Yeah, off to one side. You got about 4 inches, son.
That's fine.
You still got that 4 to 6 inches yet. I would say that's right on where I want it. Okay? Looks good, son. It's pretty much the same distance all the way across. So, that's good on that one. Now what? You want me to put the beams on?
Hold on. Hold on.
Okay. Okay, I'll lay this back down. And get out of their way so they can see you. Just about 40 degrees today, folks. Okay.
Yeah.
It's gotta go that way.
I know this side
Oh.
has to be screwed in. Doing that has to be screwed in.
All right, well, the boards are here. We might as well level it, screw it in.
Uh-huh.
Okay. All right. The gun's over there. And
Okay.
is that right on, or do you want me to hold it? It's not right on.
No, I need to get the base first.
Oh, screw that piece in. And then I'll hold the whole level, and when you see it, you can put screws. I got all kinds of screws in my pocket, so.
I don't need a screw, I need a bit.
I probably got that in there too. Here. I'll put this over.
All right, excuse me. We can move these out of the way for right now.
All right. Just don't let them hit you on the head if you move it. Happen to move that shit. No thunks do we need.
Right here. Oh, I guess yeah. You can do
I'll
that.
do whatever I got. Just you hang on to them and I'll push. And whenever we see where it's got to be, it's going to come back a little bit, so it's on that far side. To me, that's good. Look up there and see if it's up there. Is it up there where we need to be?
It's
So
about.
Huh?
Yeah, about.
Okay, that's good. As long as it's over it. Hell yeah. Because see, if you go up there and look, that's down.
Excuse me.
Oh. That's down. We'd had these moved last night. It all sand would already been washed in, yeah?
Yeah.
The rain we got? Sure. Yep. Okay.
Oops, sorry. Sorry.
I'm gonna do something here.
What?
Put that level up there. I know this is like, it's gonna be slow for YouTube, but here.
What?
I'm just gonna show it right here. Put the level right there so I can. Cherry lovers, I'm glad of one thing. And he's gonna laugh when I say this. Sure, I'm glad I had a son. Not that the waters wouldn't help, because I know they would. All right, I know that. But thank God for a son, and he's still strong. Because this old man, when they say after you turn 60, you start losing they don't even go there. I know what you're getting ready to say. Go ahead and say it in front of them. Go ahead.
Just gotta stay in shape.
Here, he's been telling me that all along. I tell him,
I got it.
I can't.
I got
I
got it in my arm.
I can always tell him, I'm just you lose 60% of your strength, and you think you got to go to the power gym.
For sure. Here you go. Oh,
I'd look like one of them little,
I got it.
look like one of them little fat turds in there. That, I shouldn't say that. That would be me, little fat turd in there on the machine, and they'd be saying, he needs to stay out of McDonald's. Truth be told, huh? I'll cut it here because those piece corners those are the expensive ones. Straight sleeves aren't. Okay,
Make sure I'm putting these in the right spot.
the last one. Look at that down through there, son. Look at that.
Much better.
Damn right it is. It really is. You know, after you left, I looked and I goes, God, were we drinking that day?
Probably.
I mean, I was like, this ain't, what did we do? And even looking down through there now, it's like, wow. We're good, you guys. I know, and I'm gonna say this while he's looking for stuff. There was a guy at ComEd and he says, you guys need to hire that done. You don't know what you're doing. You know, right? We don't know what we're doing. But eventually we will, and and we're gonna do all right. Learn by doing. When you screw up, what do? You back up, redo it.
Yeah, you don't just go
You just
find somebody else to do it. You're never gonna learn it.
Right. So we're trying our best, and you know what? We're really learning.
That's how people think most of the time today nowadays. Though they
What?
think, oh, well, I can't do it.
So
Go
I'll just
find
hire it
someone
out?
else to do.
Yep. I hear you. And that's, well, and I'm gonna say this. How I learned, not doing high tunnels, but working with tools and all that kind of stuff, cherry lovers, it was strictly by doing. And not only, I had a father that wherever he went, because I was his oldest son, I went. The other ones went and did their thing, which they did in turn help all the time, but because I was the oldest. I was always the go-to. Get me this, get me that. I learned tools real quick, even if they weren't the real names, his names. A lot of them were whatchamacallits, or them thingamabobbies. A lot of them. He had a lot of them. I just didn't know where I put them all back.
Can you
Get up
grab the
there.
ladder he asked? Tell me how much I...
Really didn't realize how heavy this damn ladder is. Of course, it's a plastic ladder, so. And forgive us, folks, if our nose are running. It's not real cold, but it ain't warm out here, which causes the nose to run. Same amount, about 8 to 10 inches up.
How's that?
Maybe 2 inches more. And then you got it for sure. That should do it. You know what? I like it. I like it. I love it. I want more of it. There you go. It's gotta go. Whoa!
Oh, you okay? There's a hole right there.
Okay. I'm gonna put that in slow motion, folks. I'm fine. What do we do?
Oh, you okay? There's a hole right there.
I'm gonna put that in slow motion, folks. I'm fine. What do we do?
There's a hole right there.
No, I know. That's got a shitty whooper.
There's a hole right there.
No, I know. That's got a shitty whooper. Go ahead. Screw it in. Oh. What the hell? Did he re-dig a hole? That's crazy, folks. Too funny.
Hey, can you hold it?
Yep. Oh.
I gotta put this bottom screw on first.
I will be getting dirt and filling that in. That's a must. That's a safety hazard. I have to call OSHA out. Ready?
Yep.
Right there. I know what I'm going to do right now. I'm going to find a twig or something. You or I could have busted our hind end bad there.
Oh, in the
Leaves
hole?
covered it up. Yeah. That's not groovy, man.
Can you hold this? Can you hold this?
Yeah.
Sweet. Ugh.
So much for that.
Yeah.
Set it. So close, it ain't funny. I love it. It's low level. I'm going to go out here and look. That'll tell me about out here in the front. That'll tell me across what it looks like. Well, now we gotta have your creative mind.
For what?
Figure out those rafters. Are we going to wait till tomorrow to do that?
I thought we were going to continue.
Huh?
I thought we were going to continue. The rafters.
So he said, you got to figure in the rafters.
What I got to figure out?
They got to be cut.
Well, yeah.
And we got to put
we got to figure something out.
Yeah, don't you have to use some math?
We already
No?
have a template. No, I'm good. Yeah, leave it there.